People, what's good? Today is August 1st, and I hope you guys just help me out on this journey and encourage me to finish these 7 days. My journey starts today. This is my 7-day smoothie cleanse challenge by J.J. Smith. Her book is for 10 days. Like I said in the previous video, I'm not committing to 10 days. I'm going to do 7. And if I feel as though I can do the 3 more days, I will do the 3 more days. So walk with me and join me on this journey that I'm about to do on August 1st. And I'm going to show you guys the very first day of my smoothie. So here it is. Gotta use spinach. This is 3 handfuls of my handful. That's 3. I'm dropping it all over the place. Hey, I ain't say I was neat. That's alright, the counter's clean. So that is 3 handfuls of spinach. You have 2 cups of water. You also have apples. All I did was cut my apples in 4 pieces, that's all. I had my apples out for a little while, so excuse my old looking apples. And being that I can't really put anything in there right now, I'm going to blend it up a little bit. Give me a sec. So I have that in there. I have a cup of mangoes. Strawberries. My wife bought the little small wine strawberries, so that's a handful. So I put them in the measuring cup. And also a cup of strawberries. And this recipe is also called for a pack of stevia, but I'm not going to use that. I don't incorporate that in my life at all. It's a sweetener. I don't need it to be sweetened. I can just tough it out and drink the smoothie as it is. So the next step is 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. And the flaxseed is for protein. So the very first day, she wants you to do 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. And also, the recipe is called for a protein shake. I'm sorry, a protein powder. And that's optional as well. So if you want to do a protein powder, it calls for a scoop. It's optional if you want to. For today, I'll do the optional. So I'll put the protein scoop in there. That's my protein shake, y'all. Um, I'll blend it up a little bit. Alright, I'm not gonna put you guys to that whole process, but this is how it looks. I still have to blend it more, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And this is what I will be drinking for the rest of the day. So I have to do 3 of these, and I'm drinking water. I'll probably drink water throughout the day until about 5, maybe 6 o'clock, and then anything after 5 or 6 I won't drink, or smoothie, nothing. So because I don't want to keep have to go to the bathroom if I constantly keep drinking water. So around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock I'll stop drinking water, and I'm gonna do this all day. So from the time I get up, I'll be doing my smoothie 3 times a day for the next 7 days, and constantly drinking my water. And that's all, y'all. That's what it is. And my goal is to lose 9 pounds, and come with me on this journey. I think I'll probably do maybe 2 more videos. It's up to y'all. If you guys comment and y'all interested in what's going on, I'll do more. But that's it. And by the way, if you guys checked out that last video, my underarms are okay. If you guys watched the video, y'all know what I'm talking about, the underarm wax challenge. And oh, I forgot. One more thing. I almost forgot. I'm going to weigh myself so you guys can see how much I weigh. Alright? 1 second. Sorry about that. I thought I had it. One moment. So I weighed myself. You guys saw a little small snippet of it. I am 239 pounds. So after the 7 days, I'm hoping that is 230 pounds. And again, if I get to the 7, and if I can do 10, I will. So I'm hoping that 239 be 230. And I'm hoping I even lose more weight. So wish me luck, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.